Hello, my name is Teresa Arzate and I work with Westside Welding. We're a manufacturing company here in Cantillo, Texas.
My name is Mike Arzate, also Vice President here. We do stainless steel fabrication and have 35 employees working for us.
Okay, again, my name is Teresa, working with Westside Welding. I'm the president of the company. And through the years, maybe 10 more years, I've been looking for health insurance for my staff. And as soon as I received the estimate from several insurance companies that I quoted with, it was a ridiculous price. It was very high, something that we just cannot afford since we are a small business. And as soon as Jesus Bustillos started talking about plans for life, the tax credit he uses, and how we as an individual, we can use them, all of us. It started making sense. And it's incredible the rates the guys are paying for their health insurance.
Yes, the good thing and the part that I like the most, if I have any questions or doctors, or I'm not really a computer guy, but I could call Jesus direct on his cell phone. He always answer and guide me which doctor to go, and it's a lot easier when you have a contact that's answering you, people that are willing to help you and guide you as we need to for any questions we have at any time. So I'm really pleased with you guys. Thank you.
For me, it's been a peace of mind having health insurance, and it's been for my employees as well. Having health insurance, knowing that whenever you need it, you're gonna be able to go to a doctor and not facing those huge bills. And as Hispanics, we're not used to go to the doctor every time we need to, every time we kind of self-medicate ourselves. But one of the most important reasons is because we don't have insurance and we don't have that money to go pay high bills. So having insurance is, you don't have to sacrifice your health, just use it.
Again, I really recommend Jesus Bustillos and Plans for Life. It's a great price and service. We call him, he's here. Any questions we have, we thought we couldn't make or afford insurance, and we are grateful to have him and be able to have insurance for our employees. So thank you, Jesus.